Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Scotiabank app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, I'm gonna discuss three solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So first, just go to your Google Play Store guys and just search for Scotiabank. And then from here guys, just tap on the app and make sure you have the latest version on your device. And guys, when this application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. And now the second solution is just go to the settings, and then after that go to the apps, and then from here you will see all of the application installed on your device. So guys, just try to find Scotia Bank. Just tap on it and then tap on storage and clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, you'll be able to fix this issue. And now guys, the third and last option that you have is reinstall the application from your device. So guys, uninstall this app, and then after it is uninstalled, just go back to the Google Play, guys, and now install it again from your device. And then from there, you will be able to use Scotiabank app without having any issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!